All right, guys, welcome for the Tuesday direction, our last day of distance learning, and I'm just gonna give you guys a little, throw you guys a little bone here. Today, just work on missing assignments, guys. All right, you guys have been grinding away for me since distance learning started. So enjoy your day off here. I know it's basically a Friday for you, so I just make that Friday even better. No assignment today, and again, if you have no missing assignments, expect to see some extra credit on the Battle of Cannae CRT. If you did it yesterday, expect to see a couple of bonus points in there for you for working hard. For people with missing assignments, get those in. If you're going to turn in any missing work over break, don't expect it to be graded until we get back. I'm going to just be starring the emails, so when I get back from break, I'll go back through and I'll grade them all. So just know that they will not be graded, but definitely do them if you have missing assignments. That's all I got, guys. Have a good break. Do something fun, and I guess I'll see you guys in a couple of weeks. Bye bye.